Hi there, I'm Chieng Mun. Today I'm going to show you how to make dumplings. Wrapping dumplings is a fun family activity, and later on I'm going to show you a game that I play using dumplings. Well, we're going to get started, and later I'm going to show you how to play the game. Come on. Let's make the filling. I like to use a large Chinese soup bowl to mix. Put in 200 grams of minced meat. You can use pork, chicken or beef. 50 grams of chopped dried shiitake mushroom and 30 grams of grated carrot. For flavoring, add a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of grated ginger, and for taste and a bit of heat, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground pepper. To further enhance flavor and mouthfeel, you need oil, and I've chosen sesame oil. Use 1 teaspoon. You can also use shallot oil or vegetable oil. Then lastly, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. At this point, I will start to mix the ingredients until they're evenly distributed. Knead in a circular motion in one direction and quite firmly too. This is to remove air pockets, resulting in the filling having a good bite. Then add in 1 egg to bind. And 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. Continue kneading, and if you find the mixture too runny, add in a teaspoon of cornstarch for the mixture to firm into a ball. When filling the dumplings, use a small amount of filling, or it would be difficult to fold the edges. Put the filling in the middle. Wet the edges with water. For fried dumplings, fold 3 pleats on the right and 3 pleats on the left. It takes a bit of practice to fold the edges beautifully. If you're unsure of how to fold the pleats, just fold the edges to form a half moon, but make sure the edges are well sealed. Press them together firmly, or they will fall apart whilst cooking. To fry the dumplings, I like to use a heavy based pan. This will retain the heat without burning the dumplings. We are shallow frying, so use enough oil to cover a 1/4 inch of the pan. I use peanut oil, which has a high smoking point and great flavor. Fry the dumplings in small batches, so there is enough heat to cook through. I'm using a 28-inch pan. Use medium heat and wait patiently for the oil to heat up. To find out if the oil is hot enough, put in a small piece of dumpling skin. When it sizzles and pops, you can start frying. Make sure the dumplings are well spaced out or they will stick together. I'm going to fry a batch of 12 dumplings. After lowering the dumplings into the pan, wait a while before turning them. Do it too early and the dumplings will break apart, so don't take that chance. Fry the dumplings over medium heat on all sides until they're golden brown. The dumplings taste great dipped in black vinegar and slivers of young ginger. If you like it hot, lace it with chili oil. So here it is, dumplings all plated up. Earlier on, I was telling you about the game that I play using dumplings. Now what I do is I take a coin, I wrap it in cling film, and I put it under one of the dumplings. The person who takes the dumpling with the coin underneath will get this ang pao from me. Do you know which one I'm going to put it under? Well, are you going to play this game with your family? Tell me about it in the comments below. My name is Koh Chieng Mun. Thank you for watching. Gong xi fa cai.